So you have gender harassment. This is the most common. This is basically generalized sexist statements. It's
Yep.
behaviors that convey insulting or degrading attitudes about men or women.
Yes.
Think of obscene jokes, humor about sex, remarks, text messages. As Brent said, I mean, this is under that category. The next one, you have seductive behavior. So this would be unwanted, inappropriate, offensive. It's sexual advancement, right? It's
Yep.
something that you're trying to get something out of it. It could be an unwanted sexual invitation. It could be a request for dinner or date that's unwanted. It's already been told no, but they're persisting. Phone calls, continuous text messages, etc. Next one you have is sexual bribery. So this will go towards, the quid pro quo. Do this, you can get a raise. Don't do this, you're going to be reprimanded. They get more favorable job assignments. That would be sexual bribery. The last, another one, sexual coercion. Think of it as threat of punishment, negative performance on evaluations. And then, so this would be more like Harvey Weinstein. And then sexual imposition, forcefully touching, grabbing, forcing yourself on someone. This is more towards sexual assault.